The Dodge Power Wagon is a name that still holds a massive amount of historical value, but when most people think of this iconic vehicle today, they likely think of the modern-day Ram Power Wagon, a tough, capable truck that lives up to the legacy. However, there's something about the original 1944 Dodge Power Wagon that continues to captivate collectors and car enthusiasts alike. The Power Wagon wasn't just a vehicle, it was a symbol of military strength and rugged durability, built to serve soldiers in the darkest days of World War II. Following the end of the war, Dodge transformed its military WC series trucks into the civilian Power Wagon, creating a vehicle that was both functional and extraordinarily tough. Built with the same rugged features that made the military trucks so effective, these Power Wagons continued to impress both civilians and professionals until 1980. While no new models have been produced since then, this legendary truck remains highly sought after by collectors, and it's not unusual for these vehicles to fetch astronomical prices, especially when they've been preserved or restored to their former glory. One such Power Wagon is set to make waves at the Mecum auctions in Glendale, Arizona, where it will be sold without reserve. This 1944 Dodge Power Wagon is drawing attention for several reasons, and the price it's expected to fetch could leave many modern luxury car owners scratching their heads in disbelief. This particular model has undergone some subtle upgrades that have enhanced its overall appeal, but the core of the vehicle remains as rugged and capable as ever. Visually, the Power Wagon retains the classic look of its era, but with a few modifications to keep it up to modern standards. The body is coated in deep black paint, giving it a sleek, almost menacing appearance, but it's the small details that set this truck apart. It has been fitted with LED lighting, diamond tread running boards, and rugged beadlock wheels wrapped in aggressive tires. These changes give the vehicle a more modern feel without sacrificing the old-school charm that makes it so desirable. Step inside the cabin, and you're greeted by a dark, sophisticated interior that's just as tough as the exterior. The diamond-stitched leather seats are a clear upgrade from the traditional military-grade interiors, and chrome elements and billet switches add a touch of refinement to the otherwise utilitarian design. The dashboard has been completely overhauled, with custom switches, a digital speedometer, and even an air conditioning system to provide a little comfort on those hot days. The standout feature inside, however, is the high-end Kenwood audio system, which offers both Bluetooth and Sirius XM capabilities, adding a modern touch to this vintage machine. Under the hood, the original Power Wagon engine has been replaced with a more powerful LS3 V8 that produces 480 horsepower. This 6.2-liter engine is paired with a 4L85E automatic transmission, making the truck just as powerful as it looks. Despite its impressive upgrades, the truck has only seen 336 miles since the build was completed, making it practically brand new. With its raised body and heavy-duty components, including Dana's 60 front and rear axles, worn locking front hubs, and an Atlas transfer case, this Power Wagon is built to handle anything you throw at it, just like the originals did during the war. Now, let's talk about the price. This Power Wagon is expected to fetch anywhere from $200,000 to $250,000 at auction. Yes, you read that correctly, this 1944 Dodge Power Wagon could sell for more than some luxury cars on the market today. For those who might be wondering if a 70-year-old truck is really worth that much, the answer is yes. This particular model is one of the most well-preserved and upgraded examples of the original Power Wagon, and its rarity, combined with the unique enhancements, make it a highly sought-after collector's item. If you're in the market for a one-of-a-kind vehicle that combines history, muscle, and a high level of craftsmanship, this 1944 Dodge Power Wagon might just be your dream car. It's a true work of art, one that represents the strength and resilience of the American military and the craftsmanship that goes into building an iconic truck. The auction results are still to be seen, but it's safe to say that this Power Wagon will make its mark in the world of classic car auctions.